I've talked to you previously about Dropbox and give you a little information on it, but I want to go back over it again to show you some of the details and how I want to put together the information that you'll submit to me, showing me that you've done a particular activity. You can submit your Dropbox or you can access Dropbox two ways. You can, while you're working within the module, if you want to submit any time from the appropriate location, you can, or you go directly to Dropbox. I think after you've been through a couple of modules, you'll say, I don't need to go through this. I know I've got to do these activities. I know I've got to submit them. So once you know how that's done, you just go directly to Dropbox and then start submitting them. Okay. But to help you get started, if you want to work within the module, okay, remember that you'll be in the module and you'll arrive at this point here where you want to make your module assignments. You want to at least submit them, okay? And when you do that, then you'll see the assignments in that particular module, okay? Notice the information, the things you must do are shown here, okay? In the first unfortunate fish, you conduct the activity, okay? And then look, here it says, write a theory. You're not going to submit all the information that you placed on, that you put together, that you're ultimately going to put on your activity sheet into your notebook. You're going to look and this says, this is what I want you to send me. Okay, so here is, it wants you to send a statement. Notice in thumb ruler, okay, and you can't see it all, but there'll be a different set of instructions for it, and it'll ask you for different things. So pay careful attention to what it is that you're to submit, because it may not always be the same thing on the activity sheets that you have been working on, okay? So you click here to upload a file that you've been working on, and then you can submit it, okay? So this takes you directly to Dropbox, and so here you are at Dropbox, okay? And the activities fortunate fish, okay? Again, it's repeated what you have to do. Do the activity, and then write a theory. It's a statement that goes on a sheet of paper that you'll submit to me. Okay. All right. Now, what you'll do is select from your computer a file that you've put together that answers this question right here. Okay. Now, this PDF file is not the activity sheet. This is a file most likely done in Microsoft Word, okay? And what you'll do is convert that document into a PDF file. And the reason I want you to do that is if there's any automatic formatting, there's a good chance that D2L will not pick up that automatic formatting. But if you will submit a PDF file, it just opens up that PDF file, okay? So I've had problems with this, people numbering answers, and the numbering's gone because if they did it in an automatic formatting mode and D2L doesn't pick up that automatic formatting, then information's missing. So you will work on a file to answer this question, okay? And then you'll create, after that file, you'll save it in PDF form, give it an appropriate name. And I recommend use on that PDF file the name of the activity that you're doing, okay? And then what you'll do is you'll upload that by first clicking upload and going and looking for that file, okay? And when you do that, you will go through the steps, okay, to find the file on your computer. And I've called one, for purposes of this video, I've chosen the test Dropbox PDF that I've created. Okay, and once you selected it, then you can just submit to Dropbox, and it'll go to Dropbox. Okay. Now, if you go directly to Dropbox, okay, so you're in your course tools, Dropbox, all right, and you select, in this particular case now, I've chosen to select thumb ruler just so you can see a different one. So I click on the thumb ruler, And the first thing you'll see are the instructions on what you should do, okay? And here it is in this one. It says, view the instructions in the chapter titled Thumb Ruler on the introduction DVD, okay? Conduct the thumb ruler activity. Submit your answers to the worksheet question. So now you're going to take the information right off the worksheet listed below and submit your answers as an attached PDF file. So create a text file and then make it into a PDF file. Now what I want you to do is just send me numbered answers. Don't rewrite the question. So I would expect a number one followed by, you could say my length equals, but don't write all that extra stuff, okay? Then number two, my classmate's length equals. And then number three, if they're not the same, write an explanation. And number four, just put 1, 2, 3, 4 followed by your responses, okay? That will be put into the form of a PDF file, okay? And then down here, you see you're going to add that file, okay? So you're going to add that file, find it on your computer, okay? And pick that file out, okay? And then you'll find that by going to your computer, finding the file, and then upload it, okay? And okay, so you'll do that, and then once you've added that, okay, you'll see in this page right here, you'll see the test. There's the file that I've uploaded, okay? Don't send any information in here, okay? Just take that file and then submit it. Now, if you do have information you want to send me, it should be embedded into that PDF file. Answer the questions, and then below there, you can write a comment. One thing you'll want to write is if you missed an assignment and you're submitting it late, you'll want to put an excuse there. And I'll talk about that a little bit later. You'll want to have an excuse as to why you submitted it late. You may have a question, but don't put it in the comment section, because I may not look at that. If I can get to those PDF files and not have to come here to look at this right here, I'm going to do that because that slows me down, okay? So once you've selected that file, you submit it to Dropbox, okay? And then you're pretty much finished with that particular activity, and then you move on to the next one, okay? But just follow the instructions in Dropbox and it'll tell you what to do. Remember that you will do the activity, get the information that you're going to be putting on your activity sheet, but don't put it on there yet. Then look at Dropbox and let it tell you what of that information I want submitted, okay, from the activity. And then you'll put that in a PDF file and then follow the instructions in Dropbox on how to attach that and submit it, okay? And so that's all I'm going to look at, is that PDF file. Remember, if you have comments, anything else you want to tell me, put it below your answer and I can see it as I go through the activity, okay? So that's the process of submitting all your activities, okay? Now, the next video that I'll do, we'll be talking a little bit about the quality of your work and some more details about the dates, when you should submit, how you can, if you miss an activity or you miss a submission, what you can do about it. But I'll talk about that next, okay?